Yeah. Right. Reverse.
Oh my God. Is that it?
Steering wheel, Mark 5 Golf / Jetta. This is a Jetta. I'm going to change it over because this one happens to be a bit manky, and I've got a nicer one on a car I've got in for spares, another Mark 5 Golf platform. So here we go. We're going to disconnect the battery from both terminals. Why not? We just don't want any power to be present, seeing as we're dealing with airbags. Let's get both connections off. Need the usual 10mm spanner. Here's the steering wheel that we're going to replace it with. It's from a 2008 Golf GT. Just happens to be in a lot better condition. Now these tabs at the back, these are the things I'm trying to point out here. This is what we're going to need to pry out the back. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So we're just going to the Jetta now. We're going to get the steering wheel in this position until, there we go, we can see those holes at the back. And we've got to stick a flathead screwdriver in there and get the screwdriver right in near the top and force downwards towards the steering column to unclip those tabs that are holding the airbag in. Takes a bit. I think I had to do it off camera. There we go. I've released one. Turn it the other way. Get your flathead in there. Get the other one out. And eventually it pops out. Airbag. Unclip that yellow plug. Nice and easy. Just pull it out basically. And we'll put that to one side. And then I'm just going to mark the position of the retaining nut on the steering wheel itself, so we can put them back in the correct alignment later on. Put the steering lock on. So now we've got to get that bolt off, and it's a 12mm triple square or spline socket. Give that a bit and it'll come off. Alright, there you go. And then we're just going to mark again, just to keep that alignment, but onto the shaft steering column as well. And there she goes. So we're going to take wire brush. I'm just going to get that old Threadlock off. Bolt, and there we go. Here's one I did earlier. Here's our replacement steering wheel. We're going to line that up with those marks. And then let's put our Threadlock on. and then we're going to tighten that on. That should be torqued up to 50 Newton meters, as far as I can see on a quick Google. Pop your plug back in. Push the airbag back into place till it clips in. And that's it. Job done. Stay tuned for the next exciting installment.